Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the GTPL app or portal. Enter your username and password. Once logged in, you see the dashboard. This is where usage lives. Make sure to pick the correct account if you manage multiple lines, because usage data is account-specific. While you're here, confirm your customer ID and registered mobile number. They help when viewing detailed bills and when contacting support. This step avoids confusion later and speeds up the next data checking actions. Once done, go to My Account and select Usage or Data Usage to pull up measurements. You'll often see a summary bar and options for date ranges. Pick your current billing cycle to get bill-relevant numbers. Then, expand breakdowns, hourly, daily, and sometimes per device or app. This shows how and when data is consumed, which matters for spotting overnight backups or streaming spikes. Make sure to switch to the device list if you need to map usage to a specific IP or MAC address. To finish, export or screenshot the usage details so you have a record. Compare these numbers to your bill to verify charges. If things look wrong, restart the router and wait about 15 minutes. This refreshes session counters. If the discrepancy remains, call GTPL support and provide your customer ID, screenshots, timestamps, and the device MAC or IP. This helps them reconcile logs quickly. One quick troubleshooting tip: clear the app cache or try the web portal if the app shows inconsistency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.